Okay, so we're here back in the studio. We're going to explore finger exercises for beginners using acoustic guitar, okay? For the first exercise, we're going to use two fingers only. First and second finger of your fretting hand. We're going to fret the first string, first fret, and after that we're going to fret the second fret, still on the first string, okay? For plucking, we're going to use a pick. We're going to pluck first downwards on the first finger and then upwards on the second finger. So that's a down pluck, then up. We call that alternate picking, down up, instead of just plucking it downwards. Not like that. Okay, so going down and then up. So practice that first. Next is adding your third finger, and now we're going to pluck it down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's kind of a rest after the third finger. There's a rest beat. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Next exercise is adding your pinky now. So we're plucking it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's try that again repeatedly, maybe 4 times. 1, down, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you go. So practice that. Now, next exercise is using that down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to move all fingers up plus 1 fret. Meaning your first finger previously was on the first fret doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we move it up to the second fret, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers on 2, 3, 4, 5. So first one is this, the next one is on the second fret. And then you move up again on the third fret, fourth fret. Remember your plucking is down, up, down, up. Fifth fret, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We end on the 12th fret with your pinky, okay? That's an up pluck. So the whole exercise for this last one is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way up. When your pinky reaches the 12th fret, that's where you end it, okay? Now another thing to be aware of is your thumb. As you go up 1 fret each time you do the cycle of the pattern, your thumb should go along upwards also, okay? Your whole hand along with your thumb. So the way I see it, every time you do a pattern, 1, 2, down, up, when you move up your index finger, your thumb also aligns with your first finger, okay? So I'm going to move my thumb above here so you guys can see it as I move along. But don't do this while doing it, just so you can see. See, my thumb is going along, so do that, but behind the neck, okay? Somewhere behind, below here. Not exactly in the middle. Find a comfortable spot. It's not very important to have your thumb in the middle of the neck behind it. It should be on a comfortable spot because you might have little fingers or longer fingers. It's just if you use your thumb exactly behind it, that's a classical approach. That's okay, but in this exercise, really just find the most comfortable position for your hand, okay? But as a guide, yeah, put it behind the neck, not exactly in the middle behind. You put it somewhere above, okay? So here we go. One more time. There you go. So keep on doing that, and I'll see you in the next one.